The tax-free homebuyer savings account legislation passed this session, allowing first-time homebuyers who have not owned a home in Maryland in the last 7 years the ability to contribute up to $5,000 of state taxes a year, up to $50,000 total. The money can be used for any down payment or closing cost listed on the settlement sheet. It's Friday, May 14th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Annapolis. Under the new residential rental property law that just passed, landlords must test the well water in residential rentals with well water every 3 years, and if a well is contaminated, it is incumbent upon the landlord to take one of 3 choices: provide a potable water source at their expense, completely remediating the contamination, or providing the tenant the option to terminate the lease. Landlords that fail to test their well every 3 years will be subject to a fine up to $1,000. There are 156 homes active for sale in all zip codes of Annapolis. 45 homes were listed for sale since last week's report. 36 homes are coming soon. 25 homes went under contract. 31 homes are temporarily off the market. 18 homes moved to pending, and 33 homes sold over the past week. The highest price home to sell this past week was this mid-century waterfront in Bywater Estates for $1,495,000. As for rentals, there are only 10 active this month. 10. For many properties, landlords are getting more than 25 applications within the first day on the market listing the home. They are also being highly selective, weeding out those with low credit scores, under 680, those with pets, those with vouchers, and even asking the tenants to compete by offering more than the asking price and requiring longer lease terms. With such qualifying situations, it just makes sense that buying a home should be considered, as some loan products will actually allow borrowers to dip under credit scores of 600, and you'd be able to keep your pet. And those 5-year commitments from the landlord, you could be paying down your own mortgage. You could actually buy this home in Annapolis for only $2,300 per month. That's less than the median rent of $2,750 per month, and this one would probably go for $3,200 a month. If you want to know your options about buying or selling, be sure to get our free home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on the link Guides on the navigation bar. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 14th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks again for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.